Looker Studio versus Looker Studio Pro. Which is more worth it? I'm going to tell you whether Looker Studio or Looker Studio Pro is more worth it. Looker Studio is Google's free tool for creating dashboards and reports. It connects easily to sources like Google Analytics or BigQuery, and it's great for individuals or small teams who don't need extra features. Looker Studio Pro costs $9 per user per month, but it's made for bigger teams. You get shared workspaces, better use permissions, more scheduled report deliveries, and access to Gemini AI for natural language queries. If you're just making reports for yourself or a small business, the free version is more than enough. But if you need tight collaboration and control at scale, Pro is worth it.